Now you may have noticed one other place where there seemed to be a lot of repetition when we were doing our cutting and pasting. If we jump back to our editor and we look at the products.php page, you see that we have the same basic structure going for each product. So here we have an opening main product listing div, and then within this, we have several products, and each product is structured the same way. There's an opening div with a class of product. Inside of that, there's a product image. There's the product price, the product title, and then the cart button that says add to cart, and this is just a placeholder for now. Now the HTML structure for each one of these is identical, but the content is different. The image is different, the price, the title, and eventually the cart button will be different too. So one of the other lessons that we've learned in this collection as we've been working with PHP is that there's a benefit in separating data from display. And part of that is to be able to reduce repetition. So what we're going to do in our next step is pull out the unique information for each product out into an array, and then we can loop through that and create the HTML around it each time. What that means is, one, if we need to adjust the HTML around that output in some way, we only have to do it in one place instead of around every item. And second, we can create other types of displays based on the same data if we'd like. For example, we could use this same array in order to create our featured sticks sidebar, but also use the same information for our product page. This also prepares us for a next step where we take that data and we pull it into the database and use queries instead of an array in order to pull that information into the page.